Question 25. Let f of x equal sine of 2x. Find the value of x for x greater than 0 and less than pi, for which the first derivative f dash of x equals negative square root of 3 and the second derivative f double dash of x equals 2. The first derivative f dash of x is equal to 2 cos of 2x and the second derivative f double dash of x is equal to negative 4 sine of 2x. Next, solve for x the equation 2 cos of 2x is equal to negative square root of 3. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2, we get cos of 2x is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. Taking the inverse cos of both sides of the equation, we get 2x is equal to 5 pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6, which are angles in quadrants 2 and 3, since we're dealing with the cosine of a negative ratio. Making x the subject by dividing these two values by 2, we get x is equal to 5 pi over 12 and 7 pi over 12. Next, solve for x the equation negative 4 sine of 2x equals 2. Dividing both sides of the equation by negative 4, we get sine of 2x is equal to negative half. Taking the inverse sine of both sides to make 2x the subject, we get 2x is equal to 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6, which are angles in quadrants 3 and 4, since we're taking the inverse sine of a negative ratio. Making x the subject by dividing both of these values by 2, we get x is equal to 7 pi over 12 and 11 pi over 12. Now the value of x that satisfies both f dash of x equals negative square root of 3 and f double dash of x equals 2 is x equals 7 pi over 12 in the interval x greater than 0 and less than pi. So that's these two values.